Shalom, family! God bless you all. Thank y'all for tuning in for today's property tour. And today, my friends, we are at Bam Estancia Parkway here in the Tres Lagos Master Plan community here in Edinburgh, Texas. Going to be checking out this absolutely stunning, beautiful, modern, contemporary estate, my friends. And I apologize for the wind, guys. It is just crazy right now. So RIP to all my headphone users. I sincerely apologize. But aside from that, my friends, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's property tour. I'm going to leave all the information in the description. Be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, my friends. Join the YouTube familia. We would love to have you guys part of the YouTube family. And as always, my friends, if you're looking to move to the Texas area, you guys can always visit our website at NavaRealtyGroup.co or check us out on Instagram. It's at NavaRealtyGroup. We're always posting on a daily basis. Whew. Okay, guys, so there's a lot to take in this property. It is almost completed, so there are some final touch-ups, guys. So I just want to make sure you guys are not shocked because, like I said, they are just weeks away from, I believe, actually getting it all finished up. But as you can see here, you have a beautiful pivot door, absolutely stunning, my friends. And then you do have that nice glass enclosed wine cellar here on the right-hand side. Alrighty. And then tucked away over here, you are going to have the beautiful dark bold colors, which I am a huge fan of, guys. I'm telling you, it's funny because my wife and I, we have probably the same outfits for everything. We'll be getting ready for the gym or going out to go show clients houses, and we're always either wearing black, gray, or white. So it's, this is the perfect color selections for, you know, for my taste. I really love it. It's very bold. It's very moody. Here, like I said, you do have that nice glass enclosed wine cellar, and you do have this beautiful double island gourmet kitchen, courtside countertops. Absolutely phenomenal. Loving these gorgeous light fixtures. Look at that. Beautiful top of the line appliances, custom cabinetry, very beautifully flushed, as you could see there. And then as you could see, they also do have top of the line Z-line appliances. Alrighty, my friends. Now this house is on the market, and I'm gonna leave all the details to this beautiful property in the description, guys, so y'all can check that out. But it just hit the market, so like I said, should be a few weeks before they do all these final touch-ups, as y'all can see. Alrighty, look at that. Beautiful, guys. And then you do have this absolutely stunning walk-in pantry. Okay. Now the cool thing is when you're building from scratch, guys, you're choosing out, you know, let's just say if you do a custom build, guys, you have different opportunities to choose out your flooring, your cabinetry, your countertops, and then also finding the lot. Finding the lot's probably the most important key factor when it comes to purchasing real estate, guys. I cannot stress that enough. You have to really make sure you do a lot of research regarding location, my friends, okay? Because this community in particular, Tres Lagos, it's a very premium master plan community. And so I want to say that the lots here are going, you know, in this subdivision, some of these custom, bigger premium lots, they can go anywhere from like 200 to 300K alone just on the lot, right? But when the developer actually released the lots a few years back, they were at a way lesser price, my friends, okay? And so what I'm trying to, you know, explain to you guys is that, you know, buying land is very critical. Buying it at the first or second phase when the developer starts releasing lots with the builders is very optimal, because as the community grows and as more houses get built out in the community, the more appreciation that the entire community goes through, and even the land itself. The land is the most critical thing, I'm telling you, my friends, because you could hold on to land. You don't have to build it right away. But like I said, as the development grows, the land increase continues to happen. Now, there are some deed restrictions where, you know, you have to build a certain amount of months. I want to say it can range anywhere from a year, maybe even 2 years, but that's something you have to look into as well. So just a heads up. But here we do have a beautiful living room here. I love the glass railing. Look at that. Ooh, man, oh man. Alrighty. And then you do have the sliders leading up to this beautiful backyard. As you guys can see, this is a very premium lot overlooking this beautiful kind of body of water there. Okay. And there's actually a property we featured a year back ago in that area that actually sold just over 2 million, my friends. So the comps in this neighborhood are very, very good. So that's another big thing you always want to look at, my friends, when you are buying property, is look at the comps, look at the neighborhood, look at the surrounding properties to see if what you're paying for makes sense. Alrighty. And then here you do have a full half bathroom under the staircase. Beautiful black tub, floating vanity. And then you got that nice black accent wall there. Now the primary suite, for some odd reason, I couldn't get the lights on, guys, so I apologize, but we're gonna try to work with the natural lighting here, which the iPhone is doing a great job at it. But look at this beautiful commercial grade fan, 2 large windows overlooking that beautiful backyard there. And you guys are gonna love the primary bathroom. Oh, this is a chef's kiss, especially the closet, so stay tuned. Here we do have the porcelain tile flooring, beautiful hallway leading up to your absolutely stunning, moody, soaking tub. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. And you do have surround sound speaker in the actual spa-like bathroom, which is awesome because you could be jamming out as you're taking a bath. And check it out. You have the full wraparound stand-up shower, which is phenomenal. Look at that. And you got the double shower head, so husbands and wives, no fighting. And then you do have that little seating bench as well. Beautiful porcelain tile all throughout. Alrighty. I love this beautiful light fixture. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Alrighty. I believe this is gonna be your water closet as well. And then you do have a nice little vanity leading up to your second 2-story closet. Look at this, guys. Oh, come on now. Like I said, some of the lights, for some reason, they weren't turning on. It's still undergoing construction, guys. So this is behind the scenes. Okay, look at the size of this closet. 2-story, glass railing all throughout. Absolutely phenomenal. Beautiful. Alrighty. And now another big thing, guys, I always strongly advise is when you're looking at different developments, you always want to make sure you look at the reputation of the developer as well. That's another key factor that you got to look into. How many developments has the developer been building? What are their success rates at their developments and their master plan communities? And then as well as who are you choosing as far as a builder? That's another big key factor. What's the reputation? How long have they been building? A lot of things to really consider when you're building a home from scratch. Alrighty, here you do have that floating staircase leading up to your second deck. Alrighty, you got the beautiful catwalk, glass railing all throughout, coffered ceilings. Look at that phenomenal view right there. Absolutely stunning, guys. Alrighty, and then here you do have a media room, all blacked out, beautiful commercial grade fan. And I can't get over this view right here. Oh man, this is it right here. Look at this beauty. Look at that. Outdoor patio, glass railing all throughout. Looks absolutely phenomenal, very peaceful. This is, like I said, this is Tres Lagos, my friends. Beautiful, beautiful community. Alrighty. And now, let's head over to the other bedrooms. Now, the upstairs actually has another in-law suite. And for some reason, this light keeps flickering on and off, so I'm not sure what's going on. They might have to look into this, but I promise that's not how it actually is. It'd be like a little raven there. And then here you do have that nice catwalk. You got the wood trim accent walls here. Phenomenal, gorgeous light fixtures. And then tucked over here, you're gonna have the other bedrooms as well. And I know, guys, I'm sorry if you're hearing that fire alarm. It needs the batteries replaced. Yeah, so I apologize. Maybe that's bringing back a lot of memories for you guys in y'all's childhood. Because I don't know about y'all, but my grandparents and my parents never changed those, and we would just have to live through the fire alarms. We would just, and it just becomes soothing at one point. Here we have a secondary in-law suite, and then you do have that outdoor patio. Check that out. Absolutely phenomenal. Beautiful lot, as you can see here. Gorgeous curb appeal. I'm not gonna go too far out because the wind is going crazy right now, but look at this body of water. Absolutely phenomenal. Alrighty. Well, my friends, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like I said, guys, I sincerely apologize for some of the minor touch-ups that need to be done, but they should be unraveling and putting this house officially on the market in a couple of days. Just doing some final touch-ups, guys, but it is available for quick move-in, and there's definitely lots of properties available as well, whether you're looking in the Dallas-Fort Worth area or anywhere in the Texas area, my friends. So hopefully you guys enjoy. God bless you and your family. And as always, my friends, y'all already know, gotta share with y'all the good news, by far the greatest part of the videos, and that is John 3:16. For God so loved the world, he sent his only begotten son, and all those that believe in him will not perish but have everlasting life. My friends, these homes are gorgeous, they're breathtaking, they're absolutely stunning, but they do not compare to the eternal home that the Lord has reserved for you, for me, and for all of us through what he did on that cross at Calvary, where he paid the ultimate price for sinners like us, guys. And if we put our faith and trust in him, he will redeem us, he will give us a new life in Christ, my friends, and he will break the shackles of bondage from your life, my friends. And right now, more than ever before, guys, we need the gospel, especially with everything happening in the world, guys. We need hope, and Christ is our only hope, my friends. So God bless you. Shalom. Peace be with you guys. I have to head out. The wifey, she's at the hotel because we're only here for a couple days because we got to be in and out. And we're going back to Dallas, but I got to go pick some stuff up for her. As you guys already know, we're just a few weeks away from meeting our little baby girl, Shalom. And so, we're at the final stretch, so I got to be there for the wifey. And keep us in prayer, guys. We're so excited to meet our little baby girl. And thank you guys so much for your wishes. Thank you so much for your prayers. Keep us in prayer, guys, for a safe delivery. We're just, it's crazy to think I'm about to be a father. Well, I already am. She's been kicking. She's very active in my wife's belly, which is funny because I'm just praying over her and she starts kicking and going crazy. So praise be to God, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Love all of you guys. God bless you. Shalom. Peace be with you guys. Bye-bye.